Good morning, students. So I am doing shares and dividends. Let us continue from where we left from yesterday. So I am doing exercise 3B, Serena Publishers, problem number 17. A man has a choice to invest in 100 rupees of two firms, rupees 120 or at 132. First firm pays a dividend of 5% per annum and second firm pays a dividend of 6% per annum. Which company is giving a better option? If a man invests, this is second bit, if a man invests 26,400 with each firm, how much will be the difference between the two terms from the two firms? It's very simple. First, let me write the given conditions. Problem is lengthy, but it is easy to understand. A man has a choice of investment in 100 rupees. That means he has some money, he is putting in two firms. Two firms means two companies. Face value of each 100 rupees and market price they are given, etc. So let me write the given condition. Problem number 17, exercise 3B, Selena Publishers. A man has a choice to invest. Let the investment be X. Right? Next, invest in 100 rupees of two firms. Face value. Face value is rupees 100. Right? So market price in two firms given as 120 and 132. Market value is given as 120 and this is case 1, you can write here case 1 and this you can write here case 2. So case 2 is face value is also 100, but here market value is nothing but 132, right? And here dividend is, here what is the dividend? 5%. D1, here dividend D2, D2 is nothing but dividend D2 is nothing but 6%. So these are the conditions. Case 1 is face value 100, face value here also 100 because he is investing X in two firms. So you can separate it. Market value is first market value is rupees 120, second one is market value 132. Dividend on first firm is 5%, dividend on second firm is 6%. So which company is giving better rate or better dividend like that, etc. Here printing is not there. And if a man invests 26,000, that we will see at the end. How much? We will look after that one. First, what is the basic formula? Dividend is equal to dividend percentage of face value into number of shares, right? So dividend percentage is nothing but, here they give 5%, 5 by 100 into dividend is equal to face value is 100 into number of shares. Number of shares is, how will you get number of shares? Total investment by market value, right? This is the formula we are having. So 5 into total investment is X by market value is 120, right? So 5 1s are 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20. X by 24. This is X by 24. Right? Now D2, same thing you apply here. Same thing right here and apply here. 6 by 100 into 100 because face value is 100 into number of shares. X by market value 132. So 6, 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12. Next, 3 2 are 3 2 are rupees X by 22. So first one is this one, second one is this one. So what is asking, which company is giving better? So make the denominator same. Make the denominator same and compare the numerator. There ends the first bit. Next one, are you following? So firm dividend is equal to rupees X by 24 and D2 means one dividend, annual income of second firm is X by 22. What I am saying is make this denominator same and compare the numerator. There ends the, you can verify which firm is paying better option. Now what is asking is, if a man invests 26,400, if a man invests 26,400 with each firm, how much will the difference between the annual returns from the two firms? So what is the difference if he is putting 26,400? Now rupees 26,400 is kept in the two firms. So how much he will get as dividend return? So simply what you have to do, dividend D1 is equal to x by 24, D2 is equal to x by 22. I told you make denominator same. So here 24, here also 24. Here 24 is there, denominator 22, here also 22, right? So 22x by 24 into 22, this one 24x by 24 into 22, right? Next, what is asking x, how much you put in the investment? 26,400. 24 into 26,400 by 24 into 22. 24 into 26,400 divided by 24 into 22. 24 cancel, 22. So here 24. And what else we can cancel here? 24 cancel. 26,400 by 24. So 24 into 22. Here also 22 into 24 like this. Here I am putting the value because he is putting 26,000. He is keeping 26,400 in the form. So let me write here. Once again I will write D1 is equal to, this is 22 here, I am sorry, please make a note of it, 22 into 24, 22 gets cancelled. So here 24 into 24 gets cancelled, 26,400. What I am saying is 22 gets cancelled, 26,400 by 24. Here 24 gets cancelled, 26,400 by 22. So D1 is equal to 26,400 by how much? 24. Next, D2 is equal to, already I said 24 gets cancelled, 26,400 by 22. You simplify this one. The answer which already I have done, just I am putting for you. This is 26,000. This is 1,100 if you simplify, and the answer for this is 1,200, right? So by this, which company is paying better option means you can see second firm is paying better option. So again, what is the difference? What is asking? I divided in the rough column, so I got the answer like this. So division multiplication is not possible to do since you are in 10th class. You have to do by yourself. So what is asking? How much will be the difference between the annual returns? Difference means what? D2 minus D1. That is nothing but dividend 2 minus dividend 1. 1,200 minus 1,100. That is nothing but 100 rupees. 100 rupees is the dividend. Next problem. Did you understand? Very simple. Just make the denominator same. So that's why I multiply 22 with 25. Don't make the problem complicated. What is given? X value 26,400. 22 gets cancelled and divide. You will get this one. There is the solution. Next question. A man bought 360 10 rupees shares of a company paying 12% per annum. He sold the shares when the price rose to 21. This is very important question. A man bought 360 shares, 360 10 rupee shares of a company paying 12% per annum. He sold the shares when the price rose to 21 share and invested the proceeds in 5 rupees shares paying 4.5% annum at 3.50. Find the annual change in the income. It's very simple. So a man bought, question number 18 from Serena Publishers, exercise 3b. A man bought 360, 10. First, let me write down what are the given conditions. A man bought, how many shares are there? 360. Number of shares is equal to 360. Question number 18, exercise 3b from Serena Publishers. Face value is how much? 10 rupees shares. Face value is rupees 10. Paying 12% per annum. That means dividend. Dividend is equal to 12%. Right? He sold the shares when the price rose to 21 per share and invested the proceed. Underline that word, invested the proceed. Invested the proceed. You should underline this word. Invested the proceed. And the proceeds in 5 rupees shares, paying 4.5% per annum at 3.50. And again, this is case 2. This is case 1. Case 1 and case 2. Let me explain you in detail. Find the annual change. First, you calculate the dividend of this one. Dividend of this one is nothing but what is the formula? Dividend dividend percentage of face value into number of shares, right? So dividend percentage was 12. 12 by 100 of face value. Face value is 10 into number of shares is 360. So 10 ones are 10 tens are 0 0 cancel. 36 12 are. Write this as it is. 36 into 12, multiply this. 12 6 are 72. 12 3 is 36. 36 plus 7. 432. 432 is the answer. Next case 2. Come back to this. Until here it is simple, very easy. Nothing confusion. Next one. When the price rose to 21 per share and invested the proceed. What is invested the proceed? Already I told. New investment. That is new investment is equal to, what is the formula for investment to proceed? Already I told. Number of shares into market value. Right? Number of shares already given, no, 360. Into, he said, he sold the shares. Sold means selling price. He sold the shares when the price rose to rupees 21. What is the meaning of this? He is selling when the price, actually what was the price here? What was the price here? We don't know. Okay, leave it. When the price, he sold the shares when their price rose to 21. That means here it's actually market value. Market value is 21. Actually previously market value is something. Now the market value is 21. That is in new investment. Remember, invested to proceed is nothing but number of shares into market value. That is new investment. New investment, he is putting this much of money. 360 into 21. Just leave as it is. Now, what we again write down the given conditions in case 2. What is case 2? What is given? Face value. Face value is what? Here clearly mentioned 5 rupees shares. He is putting this amount in another one. He sold the shares when the price rose to 21 and invested the proceed in 5 rupees shares. Now face value is, now the face value is 5 rupees. Next, dividend, how much is paying? Dividend is equal to 4.5%, right? And dividend 4.5 per annum at 3.50 per share. That means new market value. New market value is 3.5. So this is what in case 2. Very simple. Nothing confusion. He sold the shares when the price rose to 21. Whenever you see sale proceed, that is nothing but number of shares into market value. Number of shares is 360. What is the, he sold now he sold each share now 21. That means market value. Market value is 21. So this is investment, new investment. And again, what are the given conditions? Write it and then apply this formula again. Dividend is equal to dividend percentage of face value into number of shares. So here dividend is new dividend, that is nothing but 4.5 by 100 into face value is 5 into number of shares. How will you get number of shares? Number of shares number of shares, total investment by market value. This already we know. Here number of shares is nothing but total investment by market value. Sales. Total investment is this much, 360 into 21 by market value. What is the market value? 3.5. So are you following what I am saying? Here, and I told underline the word invested the proceed. That is nothing but new investment. That is nothing but number of shares into market value. Number of shares is 360. Market value, he sold the shares. That means market value is, each one is 21. So again go for this face value, again given no, he sold the shares etc for these conditions, face value 5, dividend and market value. Just I am putting number of shares. How will you get? This new number of shares is nothing but total investment. Total investment is this one. Don't write here 360. That is absolutely wrong, because he is asking sale proceed. That means what? This new investment he is putting in, he is keeping like that. So 360 into 21. New investment is nothing but total investment. So number of shares, how will you get? Number of shares, go for this basic form. Number of shares, total investment by market value. Total investment is this one by market value. New market value 3.5, already given in the question. No? So simplify this. The answer for this, and if you simplify something, the answer is 420. I think. Just simplify this. Simplification not possible, students, because it will take lot of time, and these cancellations and that all. Already I said I have done in the rough column. You can see here. Just I am writing from there. You please, since you are in 10th standard, please try to do by yourself. And if you simplify this, the answer is 486. 486 rupees 486. Now what is asking? Find the annual change in his income. This simplification please try to do by yourself. The annual change is income. What is the difference? Annual change is difference, no? Difference. D2 minus D1. Dividend 2 minus dividend 1. Dividend 2 is 486 minus 432. That is nothing but rupees 54. There ends the solution. So that's it. It's very simple, straightforward question. Only formula you should remember. That's all. And another important thing is invested the proceed. Invested the proceed is the word, very important. That is nothing but new investment. New investment is nothing but number of shares. Sale proceed. Whenever you see sale proceed, you should remember number of shares into market value. So 360 into 21. Again, he sold the shares when the price rose to rupees 21. That means market value is 21. And again, it is clearly mentioned. Face value proceeds in face value rupees 5. Dividend is 4.5% and market value is 3.5. So that's it. Very simple. So with this, only 2 problems left over in exercise 3B, that is 19 and 20. I will be finishing soon. So thank you students, have a nice day. We will meet you in the next class. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the blue button, and please don't forget to subscribe. Share these videos with your friends so that they will also get knowledge. And I know shares and dividends is a tough, but I have made it in a simple way and easy to understand. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.